Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Anime Scrap application to your Firestick or Android TV. It's an amazing app that you can use to watch anime totally for free. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact anime available in the app. But in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get the app to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just gotta go to search on your device. Here it is, we open it, and there in the search bar, start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll go to Settings by clicking on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and here we'll have to enable developer options on your device. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared for us right here. So we open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then you have to go to install unknown apps. From here, just locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, open it. And there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. Is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Hungary right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we're gonna go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, and open up Downloader. Then wait until the app loads for you. And from here, on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home, and then here in that search bar, we need to enter a code, which is going to be 2890 and 7. So once again, the code is 2890 and 7. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see, and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the code is not going to work. After that, you have to click on Go, And while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, after the website has opened, we just scroll down a bit until we see that list of categories right here. And from the list, we gotta click on anime. So we click on it, then scroll down a bit, and there's a huge list of applications that has appeared for us. From here, just locate Anime Scrap, there it is, let's click on it. Then an ad might pop up for you. If it does pop up, don't worry and just click on close or on X to actually close down the ad. In our case, we gotta click on that little X right here. So we click on it. And now a new web page has opened, which we also have to scroll down. So scroll it down until you find that little download button right here. Let's click on it. And in a couple of moments, the download should start for us. Yep, there it is. So now it's downloading. Then just click on install and wait until Anime Scrap application gets installed to your Firestick or Android TV. And after it's over, don't click on open yet. Instead, press on done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's super important because by default, you don't have too much of free space on your device anyway. Then finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device, scroll down to the very bottom, and there you'll find the Anime Scrap, which we just downloaded. Now, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, Anime Scrap is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.